Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. I am Dr. Nur Suhailiza Sazali. Today I would like to present my research with the title of The Effectiveness of Kaolin, Metakaolin and Zeolite as soil amendment for the mustard green grow. For beginning of my presentation, I would like to explain about my content first. So I have four main content that will be explained today. The first one about the introduction, the second one about the methodology, result and discussion, and also the conclusion. So the first one, we go to the introduction. Actually, we move to the background study first. So for my research, I focus on the agriculture sector. Why agriculture sector? Because we know that agriculture is very important all around the world, not only in Malaysia. And also, agriculture sector play important role in the national economy through its contribution to the national income and also the export earning. So my research will focus on the agriculture sector, which in the mustard green vegetable. So in my research, I have done my research in a greenhouse. Why greenhouse? Because in greenhouse we can control the temperature, the environment, and also the irrigation system. Next, about the NPK green. Actually, NPK is very important for the growth of our plantation. So NPK will give the nutrient to our plantation to grow. But unfortunately, um, with a very bad practice of NPK and excessive use of NPK can cause the leaching of nitrate and nitrate. So leaching, the problem of the leaching of nitrate and nitrate is a very crucial problem in agriculture that we need to overcome this problem. So how to overcome this leaching problem? For this research, I introduced to you three types of material engineering. The first one about the kaolin, second one the metakaolin and the zeolite. Actually, zeolite for this research, I successfully synthesis by myself from the kaolin, metakaolin and into the zeolite by hydrothermal synthesis with the specific parameter. And then after these three material amended in soil to check to decrease the leaching problem and also to increase the growth in this research. So we harvest this mustard green to check the growth and analyze by using the statistical one-way ANOVA. Next, we move to the problem statement. Actually, for this research, there are two main problems here that need to be solved. The first one about, like I said before, the leaching problem. So the leaching problem occurred because of the loss of water through the irrigation system. So we need to overcome this leaching of the nitrate and nitrate by amended of these three materials into the soil. Next, about the quantity and the production of vegetable in Malaysia is still low and Malaysia is still import the vegetable to other country. So by using this material, we want to increase the growth, to fasten the growth, to decrease the leaching, so that it can improve our Malaysian economy. Next, about the objective, there are two main objectives for my research. The first one about the study of this effectiveness of the kaolin, metakaolin and zeolite mixed with the soil as a soil amendment to analyze the growth of mustard green. The second one, we want to analyze this effectiveness of kaolin, metakaolin and zeolite to minimize the losses of nitrite and nitrate through leaching. Next, about the scope of my study. The scope of my study, we have two main scope. Like I said before, the first one about the analysis of plant, and then the second one about the leaching of analysis for nitrite and nitrate. Next, about the methodology. Actually, for the methodology of my research, I have two main parts. The first one about the preparation of kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite. Like I said before, the first thing we need to searching a suitable kaolin with checking the composition, and then we want to transform the kaolin into the metakaolin by calcination process, and then we want to transform this metakaolin into the zeolite LTA by using the conventional hydrothermal method with the specific parameter. Next, after we get the kaolin, metakaolin and zeolite, now we want to apply this material amended in the soil to check the plant growth analysis and also the leaching analysis. And all this will be analyzed by using the statistical analysis one-way ANOVA. Next, this is the preparations of our research. Okay, like I said before, we done all our research in greenhouse. Okay, with the specific environment, temperature, and then for the soil preparation, we just mix the kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite in soil. And then for the nitrate and nitrate analysis, we use the freshwater master kit, and the amount, the concentrations of leaching nitrate and nitrate will be taken by using the comparing the color. Next, about the list of treatment, I choose 5 main list of treatment. The first one, soil with standard NPK fertilizer with no added of kaolin, metakaolin, or zeolite. The second one, about the soil with low added NPK fertilizer. The third one, soil with NPK fertilizer plus 3 gram of kaolin. Next, plus 3 gram of metakaolin. And the last treatment is plus 3 gram of zeolite LTA. So this experiment is randomized, designed in the greenhouse, and we have 5 treatment, and each treatment have 3 repetition, and watering about 100 ml per day. So we control the water for all the treatment, and we took two times for harvest. Okay, next about the result and discussion. So like I said before, about the result, the first we check the material first, and then the second part we check the application. So for the result, the first result for checking the material, we check the XRF analysis first. XRF analysis we done for checking the compositions of our material. The first one, the silica, the composition of a kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite. Like you can see here, there are different composition, different percentage of silica alumina for each kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite. Next, about the XRD analysis. For XRD analysis, we want to check, is it the material is true is kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite. And alhamdulillah, we successfully synthesis the zeolite from the kaolin, and this result XRD show to you the peak. Every peak of the XRD analysis is zeolite LTA. So next, about the FISAM analysis. So FISAM analysis, the first image here, the A image, you can see it's very hexagonal plate shape of kaolinate. The second one is a metakaolin, it's very highly disordered metakaolin shape, amorphous shape. And then the third one, we can see that zeolite is a very well crystal cubic family for zeolite. Okay, next, about the plant growth analysis. So like I said before, I having a 2 harvest. The first harvest, the same one, harvest 1 for plant growth analysis. So for the plant growth analysis, I analyze using the statistical analysis. We can see here, mean have given different letter above the column. They are significantly different lah, at P less than or equal to 0.05. So like previous one, I have 6 main parameter. The first one about the diameter of leaf, plant height, number of leaf, diameter of stem, weight of shoot, and also weight of dry shoot. So according to the diameter of leaf there, 3 gram of zeolite, which is 3 GZ, show the highly significant different compared to other treatment. Same goes to the plant height. But by using the statistical analysis, number of leaf, there is no significant difference for all treatment. Even 3 gram zeolite give high mean number of leaf. For the diameter of stem, 3 gram zeolite show the height significant difference compared to only for standard control and also the standard low. So the weight of shoot, 3 gram zeolite show the significant difference for all treatment. And for the weight of dry shoot, 3 gram zeolite show significant difference only with the control low, 3 gram kaolin, and also 3 gram metakaolin. But for the pH, there is no differences. So for all the treatment, the range of the pH is about 6 to 7. And then we move to the plant growth analysis at harvest 2. So for the harvest 2, we can see here all the parameter. 3 gram zeolite show the height significant different compared to the other treatment. Same goes to the diameter of leaf, plant height, but number of leaf, there is no significant difference for all the treatment. So for diameter of stem, 3 gram zeolite show the significant for all the treatment. Same goes to the weight of shoot and also weight of dry shoot. Next, about the leaching analysis. Like I said before, we taken concentration for the nitrate and nitrite by using freshwater master test kit by comparing the color, like you can see. So for the nitrate, we can show that 3-gram zeolite did not show significant difference for all the treatment. Okay, but we can see that 3-gram kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite show the lower concentration amounts of nitrate and nitrite compared to the without the soil amendment. Same goes to the nitrite here. 3-gram zeolite show the lowest value of nitrite compared to other treatment. But there is no significant difference for all treatment for nitrite. But you can see that the reading, the concentrations of the nitrite and nitrate for the kaolin, metakaolin, especially for zeolite, is very low. Next, last but not the least, about the conclusion of my research. So according to the finding, the result and discussion, we can say that these three material, kaolin, metakaolin, and zeolite, is very good for soil amendment, for the plant growth, and for the lower the leaching analysis. And zeolite was the best soil amendment to increase the growth and also reducing the leaching compared to the kaolin and metakaolin. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you very much.